Today we will crochet a small heart, simple and beginner friendly. All materials and abbreviations are listed in the description below. Start with the magic ring. And chain 3. Now we crochet everything into the magic ring. Make 2 double crochets. One half double crochet. Two single crochets. Chain 2. This creates the bottom point of the heart. Then again 2 single crochets. One half double crochet. Two double crochets. Chain 3. And to finish, make 1 slip stitch into the ring. Cut the yarn and pull it through. Now gently tighten the magic ring and weave in the ends. Your crochet heart is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy crochet ideas. See you in the next video.